Hey everyone, happy Saturday. So on Saturdays, as you guys know, I show all the new beauty launches for the week. Super stoked about that. Over the next few months, I'm gonna be releasing little teasers here and there on an exciting project that I've actually been working on since last year. You guys, this thing is going to be amazing. I cannot wait to share it with you, but I'm gonna be doing teasers along the way. And your first hint is in this video right now, and it's something that I'm wearing. But that's all you're getting. I know it sucks, but I cannot wait to do the big reveal to you guys further down the line. I just know you guys are going to love it. So feel free to leave your guesses down below. Cannot wait to announce it, but definitely make sure to be subscribed over here and then also on my Instagram, Madison89Miller, and then also on my Life of Maddie vlog channel for all the little teasers that are gonna be released over the next few months. So super stoked about that, and a big thank you to you guys for all your support because I wouldn't be given this opportunity if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you so much. But now let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. All right, so the first package is from Chlorine, and I've actually really been loving their dry shampoo that they sent over. I talk a little bit about in an empties video that is coming up here on my channel, but the dry shampoo is so good from Chlorine. I have no idea where they sell Chlorine, but definitely check out their dry shampoo if you ever see it. It's so good. But they sent over some new products. This is the Chlorine Anti-Pollution Shampoo. Oh, this is so interesting right here. So this is what that looks like. And it says that it's a detoxifying shampoo with aquatic mint. It instantly removes environmental pollution buildup without stripping the hair. Deeply yet gentle detoxifies and purifies the scalp while preserving its natural balance. Oh, so this would be really good for also probably removing all that buildup that comes at the scalp. And then we also have the anti-pollution protective conditioner as well. The last product is the purifying mist. I wonder what the purifying mist does. It says refreshing mist that purifies and neutralizes hair and scalp odors accumulated throughout the day. Highest concentration of aquatic mint extract, which detoxifies and protects the scalp from pollution. It has a cooling sensation, and the ideal use is for post-workout, in the city, commuting, eliminating strong food and smoke odors. Ooh, that would be good. Like say if you go to you know how casinos, like especially if you go to Laughlin because the ceilings are so low, you just smell like smoke when you leave. Like Joel and I were like, you have to take a shower right when you get back. It's so smoky in there. That is really cool. Cannot wait to test it out. All right, so next up we have a product from OFRA Cosmetics, and it's the OFRA and Talia Mar. It's So Brit, So Lit. So I believe these are two new highlighters and they retail for $35 a piece. So let's see. This one is Soho right here. Oh, that one is really pretty. I can see this one being really gorgeous, especially if you have a pretty tan. Oh yeah. God, their highlighters are always so pigmented and beautiful. Dude, I feel like I can even wear that even being fair. That is really gorgeous. You know what? This also kind of gives you that, like, you know how you go and take a picture at golden hour and it's very warm on the face? That's what that reminds me of. That would be beautiful taking a picture during that time. And then we have Covent Garden. And it looks like this. This one's more of a pinky highlighter, like a silvery pink. And that one looks like that. So you definitely get a good range right there. Really, really pretty. Super excited about those. Thank you so much to OFRA for sending that over, and congrats to Talia Mar on your collaboration. All right, so next up is a package from Avon, and it says, "Hi Madison, happy Mother's Day. Enjoy some of our favorite goodies to treat yourself on this special day." Ooh, what did they send over? So we have, this is a candle. Best Mom Ever candle right here. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I love it. It even says best mom ever on the front. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, this is totally a bathroom candle. You know when you get like certain scents, it's got more like of a floral scent to it. And to this, I'm just like, oh, you are so a bathroom candle. Perfect for like those game nights. And then they also sent over a perfume right here. Super exciting. And then we have the iconic lipstick in Rose Shine Luster Rose. Ooh, this one's pretty. This one's really moisturizing. So there's a lip color. I like the packaging of it. It's really pretty. And then they also sent over another lipstick, Natural Shimmer. Oh yeah, that one's pretty. This one's more of like a brown nude right there. also really gorgeous. They feel really moisturizing too, which is nice. So thank you so much to Avon for sending these over. All right, so next up is a package from BUXOM, and they sent over their Serial Kisser Plumping Lip Stains. So good, it's criminal. And they're available for $22 on Sephora and Ulta and also BUXOMcosmetics.com. And I believe they're already available too. So this is what it looks like inside, so you guys can see everything. Super cute. And I want to grab this one. This one's called Makeout. I like lip stains. I like it because they just kind of like feel like you don't really have anything on your lips because it just stains the lips. And they just wear really well. Oh, this is like a different type of applicator for a lip stain. I usually don't see anything this, oh, these are nice. These are nice. Oh, I cannot wait to use these. Oh my goodness. That one was Makeout. Oh my God, they also smell so good. Okay, super excited about these. Ooh, we have Pucker Up Dolly, and I usually like Dolly in all of them. This one looks like it's going to be, let's see. Oh, this is pretty. This one's a little bit more deeper. These are cool. I like the applicator on these. I feel like whenever I get like a lip tint or a lip oil, they have like the really like skinny applicators. I never see them with this like thicker applicator, which is really, really nice. Super excited about these. Very, very excited. And they definitely leave a stain, you guys. Like I've already wiped those other ones off and they're stained. I'm stained with swatches there. All right, so next up is an order that I made, and I actually got these already, but I had to return them because they were too big. They definitely are so cute and so comfortable, so I was like, I just want them in a smaller size. So this is what they are. I've been really loving Beyond Yoga. I love Lulu, and you guys, I mainly live in like yoga clothes, like leggings, all that for everyday life now because they're just so much more comfortable and easier to like be active with, especially with a baby. And I went on Revolve and I saw these Beyond Yoga joggers. And I was like, oh, these would be so great for the plane and like, you know, plane flights and stuff. And so I got a medium, but they like were falling off. Like they run, I've noticed Beyond Yoga actually runs pretty big. So you definitely want to size down. So these are what they are. They have them in different colors and they are so comfortable. Like so soft and so comfortable. Their material is amazing. I love their biker shorts. That's what I've been loving. I have 2 pairs of the black ones and then I just got a pair of the blue ones and I'm loving those. But yeah, love, love, love these joggers. Alrighty, so LALICIOUS just sent over a beautiful package right here for Mother's Day. Oh my goodness. So it says, hey Madison, Mother's Day is around the corner. As one of our favorite mommy influencers, we wanted to get our #MomLife box in your hands. This box can be found on our Mother's Day gift shop. We know how busy being a mom is, so we hope these products give you a second to unwind. Happy early Mother's Day. Thank you so much for sending this over. The packaging is beautiful already. Oh, I cannot wait to try this out. The LALICIOUS Birthday Cake Hydrating Body Butter. Oh my gosh, super, super stoked. First off, the packaging is beautiful. It's a really pretty pastel pink inside. And I just wanna put this on my arms. It's like making me crave birthday cake ice cream, you know? Oh, that sounds good. But oh, so, so nice. Oh my gosh, this is so moisturizing. Definitely gonna be using this right now. This is so, so nice. And then we have, oh yeah, we have the Extraordinary Whipped Sugar Scrub, which is definitely need before I do tanning, because I'm definitely gonna be tanning before I go to Hawaii, so I'm not like super pale. And then, ooh, we have a shower oil and bubble bath. I'm gonna tell Joel that I'm taking a bubble bath and taking some me time tonight for my birthday. Thank you so much to LALICIOUS for sending these over. I am so excited to pamper myself. All right, so next up is from Living Proof, and I am super stoked about this. Okay, so they sent over their new Soothe Your Scalp Restore Dry Scalp Treatment. So it says that it relieves dryness, itchiness, and irritation. It's right here, and it has like the little like guys, you can easily get it into the scalp and like work it in. So it's a leave-in scalp treatment that delivers relief from dry scalp symptoms. The results: instantly hydrates and provides lasting relief from dry scalp, flaking, itching, and irritation. I can't wait to try this out. It has vitamin B3 in it, hyaluronic acid based, and it says for best results, use 3 times per week for 4 weeks. Definitely trying this guy out. Very excited. And then they also sent over my favorite dry shampoo ever. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Love this. I actually am just about to run out of the one that I have in my bathroom right now. And I just showed this in an empties too because it seriously is one of my favorites. All right, so next up is a package from Moroccan Oil. And I love, love, love Moroccan Oil. I've been obsessed with their products lately. So Moroccan Oil sent over a ton of products with some inspo hair pictures right here. So it kind of tells you how to get them too, which is really, really cool. So we have like a low bun right there. Then we have the tasseled waves, which are beautiful. I wish I could learn how to do this in my hair. I struggle with this look. And then they also have a crown braid in here too. So super awesome. They sent over the Mending Infusion Repair, so it helps split ends. Oh my gosh, yes, I need that so bad. Oh, this packaging is beautiful. I love their teal packaging. It is so nice. And then they also sent over the Hydrating Styling Cream and the Perfect Defense for all hair types. It's a thermal protection. And then we have a dry texture spray and the Luminous hairspray. So thank you so much to Moroccan Oil for sending this over. I am so excited. I cannot wait to try out definitely this hairstyle right here, this wave. You use the dry texture spray and the Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense for that one. So I'm definitely gonna try this out. I'm gonna save this over here so I can try to recreate that like tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the last gift that I have here is a package from IT Cosmetics and it says, Madison, happy birthday. Cheers to you and all you do, from Lex and Jillian. Thank you so much, you guys. They sent me a really nice champagne. Oh my gosh. Oh, I cannot wait to drink you. Or rosé, I mean, yeah. This stuff is so good. Cannot wait to open this up. Thank you, thank you, thank you, IT Cosmetics. I am so grateful. Okay, so those are all the new beauty launches for this week that I received in PR. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And also make sure to stick around and keep your eye out for all the little teasers and hints that I'm gonna be giving out over these next couple of months on this new exciting project that I am working on. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Make sure to leave your guesses down below. And yeah, so again, a huge thank you to all of you guys for all your amazing support and love over here on my channel and also my other platforms. I honestly would not be where I am today without you guys, and I truly am so, so grateful, and I love you guys. But I will see you guys in my next video.